Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some of winter and snow flakes DIY. So let's start with the first DIY, and for this actually I'm going to take one of this home sign and this snowflake tissue paper from Dollar Tree both, and I just cut down according to the size of this home, and I'm adjusting the excess of this tissue paper like you're seeing, and I just stuck it with Mod Podge, and I'm trimming off excess with this blade. And I'm going to use this Let It Snow wood sign, and this is also from Dollar Tree, and I mixed two of these blue shades to get this beautiful tone of blue, and I just painted all over it except the snowflake part. For the snowflake part I painted white, and while the paint is wet I'm actually sprinkling some of this faux snow on top of it to actually, make it look like it's a snowflake in there. And I also took some of the shiny stickers. These are snowmen. I just painted two of them in the same color as the Let It Snow letters. So, and I stuck on either side of the house. And I also have this beautiful foam snowflake, and I'm just taking two of this white beads, and I'm just generously taking generous amount of hot glue, and I'm sticking this Let It Snow on top of these beads to give like a nice elevation there. And I also took the same snowflake, and I'm just attaching it on top of the roof with a little bit of a hot glue there. And I'm also trying to see which greenery would go nice on top of this roof. So I ended up doing this white eucalyptus piece. So I'm just sticking two of them on either side of the home to finish the look. I think I'm happy with the look, so I'm going to stop it right there. And yeah, this is how it looks after it's all decked up. And this is one of the cute Let It Snow sign that I wanted to share with you all today. I think this turned out great, and yeah, please let me know what you think about it. This video will be part of Think Snow collab, and this is hosted by Amanda over 6 kids and a glue gun, and the other host is Katie from Lady Red Crafting, and the guest host is Stephanie from Mama Can Make It. And I'm going to leave the crafting channels of these ladies in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist, so please watch all of our videos and enjoy a lot of snowflake DIYs and projects and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this I'm going to use the same paint mixture, and this is one of the snowflake pick that I got from Walmart for 98 cents, and I'm just pulling out this wired thingy, and I'm going to sand it down, and I'm painting the same around the snowman with this blue paint, and the snowman obviously in white, right? So I'm also going to paint his scarf and his cap in the same blue color to go with all the same color scheme today. And while the paint was wet, I just sprinkled some of the faux snow to make it look like he's made of snow. And this is one of the round furry wreath I got from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to add this on top of this wreath, just like that. Is it called wreath? I'm going to call it wreath. So I'm just attaching this on top of this furry thing, and I'm attaching some of this greenery on either side, and I'm going to paint it down to make it look like it is snow clad. So yeah, it's as though it's drenched in snow. And yeah, this is the final reveal after it is stuck with one of the snowflake sticker on the top of the house. And this is one of the DIY that I want to share with you all today. Please let me know what you think about it. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For some reason, I forgot to make snowflake DIY sheets, so I'm using the old ones. So this is one of the galvanized snowman, and I'm going to cover this with the one of the tissue paper, and on top of it, I'm going to use one of the sheer mesh ribbon. So I'm generously applying this Mod Podge, and I'm placing this white tissue paper on top of it, and I trimmed off the excess. Now I'm taking this sheer mesh ribbon, and I'm actually cutting according to the size of this snowman, and I'm generously applying this with a lot of Mod Podge on top of it, and I'm going to let it dry for a couple of hours so the ribbon adheres well. After it's dried for, I think I came back the next day, and it just adhered well, and I'm just trimming off the excess. And also I'm taking one of this hat that I have to steal from another window cling stickers, so I just attached that on top of his head. And this is one of the blue ribbon actually that came from one of the hats, the straw hat. So I'm just going to use this because it's going with the color scheme today. So I'm just applying his hat on the top, and I took one piece of this blue ribbon, and I'm actually attaching it on the top of his neck to give like a nice scarf effect there. And I am also going to take another triangular piece to attach it in the back, as though he's knotted his scarf around his neck. And I took another small piece of this ribbon on top of the head to give like nice decor there, and I attached snowflake where both the scarves are tied together in a knot. And this is one of the Christmas greenery. I'm just taking some pieces of it on top of his hat to decorate his hat there. And I also got some of this pine cone pieces, and I made like a small rosette, and I attached on top of this greenery. And I think I'm going to call it done at this point in time. This is how it looks after it's completely done. Doesn't he look cute? I think he looks cute with all the blue decoration around, and the snowflakes, the beautiful blue scarf with a snowflake, and a hat with some decorations on top of his hat. I think I'm very much happy how this cute snowman turned out. I wanted to hear what you think about it. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to take one of this snowflake hanging, and I'm going to remove this tinsel. Is this called tinsel? I'm going to remove this garland around this snowflake. I just took one out of it, and I'm going to wrap it around with this beautiful white chenille yarn, and it actually elevated to a different level after I wrapped it around this snowflake plastic thingy. So I'm just taking one strand of it, and I'm going to attach it with a little bit of hot glue facing inside. Now I'm going to circulate all around the curves of this snowflake. I took off camera, and I patiently spent some time to circulate all the yarn around this snowflake, and you're going to see something in the middle like this. It's how it looks as of now. Now I reached to the end of wrapping, so I just scissored it down the excess of this yarn. I'm attaching that to the back of the snowflake with a dab of a hot glue, and this is how it looks after it's completely done. Isn't this pretty? I just love this shiny, soft white color looking snowflake. So I just took generous amount of hot glue, and I'm just sticking it to one of this picture frame, and I took one of this shiny snowflake, and I attached that on top of the picture frame, and I just stuck one of the blue foam ball, but I later changed it with one of this white snowball, and this blue ball came down into the center of this snowflake. Isn't this pretty? So when you apply yarn to this plastic thing, it just went to a different level. This is what I was talking about, and this is how the whole DIY turned out, and I enjoyed making this DIY. I hope you like it. Please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 5. These are a couple of hacks. So I'm going to take one of this gift bag which has this beautiful same blue toned background. So I'm just going to use this gift bag piece, and I just cut down one piece of it, and I'm just taking generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm just brushing it down all around this canvas piece, and I'm attaching this piece from this gift bag, and I'm actually not cutting down this red stripes, so it actually, I just bent it down to the back. It also adds, a little bit of a decoration there. So I just took a little bit of a Mod Podge all over the snow area, and I wetted those spots, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of this fall snow to give like a snow effect there, here and there, and when it shines, it looks really great. And I love this verbiage at the top, like dashing through the snow. I thought like this would be a great addition to all the DIYs today. And this is one of the picture frames back part, and I'm attaching a little bit of a hot glue to it, and I'm sticking to this back of the canvas to finish the look. And I also attached two of this snowflake stickers to finish the look actually. And isn't this pretty? I just love the cute saying there on top, and I love those cute snowmen and polar bear all enjoying their day in the snow, and with those shiny fall snow to top it all. And I just loved it. I thought I should add in all the collection today, and this is one of it. I hope you like it too. And this is another set of stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this puffy ones on top of this white sign that I got from Dollar Tree also. And I'm just going to take this Happy Holidays sticker, and I'm going to stick it on top, and those beautiful snowflakes, the blue, light blue, dark blue, I'm randomly placing here and there to see to fill all this sign. And I also took a little bit of a hot glue to stick them, otherwise they are just sliding off when I'm actually hanging on the wall. So I'm also going to decorate the top part with some beaded garland, and this is the beaded garland I beaded together, the blue and the white beads, and I'm going to insert through this hole to give like a nice hanger there. Then I made a bow out of this burlap ribbon which had like nice blue snowflakes on top of it, which is exactly going with the color scheme today. And I just stuck it on top of this hanger with one of this foam ball in the center to finish the look. This is another cute snowflake DIY that goes well with the color scheme today. So I use the stickers to create actually it is a hack, I would say, to add with the collection today. So yeah, this is one of it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this too. Next hack is this tall pillar candle decor, and I'm just peeling off this sticker from the back, and I'm using this window cling stickers, and I used Mod Podge to adhere well to the candle, and I also gave one more coat of Mod Podge on top after I stuck all of the stickers around this candle. This is how it looks after it's all stuck. Now I also got this blue color beaded garland from Dollar Tree, and I'm just attaching that around the mouth of the candle. And I wanted to go with a nice bow or lace ribbon around it, but I think that blue beaded garland actually were looking nice, so I just attached around this candle, and this is how it looks. It doesn't need much, but it is actually a beautiful decor. The blue and white are complementing each so well together, and I just wanted to add one of this DIY to this collection today. I hope it turned out great. I think I like it, so please let me know. This is the last hack, I promise. I just took this beautiful ornament bell and from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to decorate this since it's white in color, and the sticker also, the sticker snowflakes are also very cute, so I just covered those holes with this snowflake sticker around. I think three or four of them were there, and I just used Mod Podge like you're seeing, and I'm attaching all these window cling stickers on top of it, and I also gave like one small bead on top of this decor to finish the look, because it already had nice greenery. I didn't want to disturb it, and this is one of it to complement all the DIYs today. So yeah, I hope you like it. This is cute though. These are some of my social media handles if you'd like to connect with me there. So this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, you guys, and I'm so happy how all these turned out, and I just love this blue tone of DIYs today, and I try to match as much as I can to make it look nice and become a cohesive collection of snowflake DIYs today. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join, and definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. I want to take a minute to thank all of you for taking some time and watching this video and making my day here. I appreciate it, you guys. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.